I think my favorite thing about barbecue is probably that you're never done learning. I think it's fun to constantly get to experiment and mess around and figure out what works for you and what doesn't work. You can constantly learn something new, and I think that's a lot of fun. Getting to cook with my husband all the time is fun. Our favorite time to cook is when we're together. We get to the point where we're cooking and it's like right hand and left hand.
Get your shirt out of there.
I think the biggest thing that I've had to overcome is learning how to have thicker skin and then just continuing to do what I'm passionate about. You have to kind of let your food do the talking and prove it with flavor instead of with words. I love being able to cook what I love, serve it to people, and have them enjoy a wonderful meal that I took a part in preparing for them.